Hi Mugdho, how are you?
I'm fine and fit today. And you?
I'm I'm same to you. Do you like to go?
Yes, I do. How do you like to go?
I want to go to Cox's Bazar.
How much cost?
About 10,000 taka per head.
Okay, I agree. What's the date?
Per head were to 25 June and 8 p.m. by 10.
Wow, I like to travel by train most. It will be enjoyable.
It will be at 2 night and 1 day travel.
No problem. What's our menu?
Uh, we reach at 10 p.m. and take dinner in our hotel.
Have you chosen any hotel?
Yes, it is ready at 20,000 taka every room night per night.
Marvelous. Here is the money.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
You are welcome. Nice to meet you too.